Hello and welcome. We're taking a look at complex fractions today. Complex fractions are important because they're fractions within fractions and they're rough. So we want to make sure that we understand how to do them. So what we're going to do first is we're going to find the LCD of the little fractions. So I'm looking specifically at these little denominators. So our LCD is going to be y minus 1, y plus 1. So we're going to multiply the big fraction by the LCD of those little denominators. Now notice the reason we're doing that is because we can multiply any fraction by the same thing, top and bottom. So that's perfectly legal. Now the way we do that is we make sure to multiply each one of these by this new denominator. Now in some of these it cancels. For example, in this first one, y minus 1 cancels, so we'll get 9 times y plus 1. Notice I write every step out. I don't do anything in my head. So plus 9 times y plus 1, y minus 1, because nothing cancels there. Then on the bottom, I'll have 9 times y minus 1, because that y plus 1 cancels, minus 9 times y plus 1, y minus 1. Now we'll need to multiply all that out. I'm going to move it up a little. So that'll give us 9y plus 9 times y squared minus 1 over 9y minus 9 minus 9y squared minus 1. Further distributing, that'll give us 9y plus 9y squared minus 9 over 9y minus 9 minus 9y squared. And here's the most important part, plus 9. That can be tricky. Notice that when we put these together, those plus 9 and minus 9 cancel, so we get 9y squared plus 9y over, cancel again, negative 9y squared plus 9y. We cannot cancel anything top and bottom until it's multiplication, so we've got to factor things out. So we'll get a 9y on the top, that gives us y plus 1. On the bottom we got negative 9y, that gives us y minus 1. Now we can cancel the 9y and the 9y, which will give us a negative on the bottom, so that gives us y plus 1 over negative y minus 1. Or we could write it y plus 1, put the negative out in the front, and we get y minus 1 there. Doesn't really matter how you write it, and Alex isn't going to care how you put it. So this is right, and this is right, either way is good. But what's important that you realize is how all of these work. You find the LCD, you multiply the top and the bottom by it, you distribute all of this mess together, you figure out how it simplifies, you factor it out, and then you cancel as you can, and then what you have left is what it is. Alright, take a look at it, let me know how it goes. I'm more than happy to do any more videos if you like them. Thank you.